What's up, guys and girls? Today we're going to be firing up my pellet grill from Z Grills, my 1000 2B series pellet grill, and we're going to be making a whole chicken on this pellet grill today, and we're going to be smoking it with some hickory pellets. I've already got it getting fired up right now. We're going to be trying to shoot for a temperature of 300 to 325 on the pit. This is a collaboration with my barbecue brother James at Aim 'em and Claim 'em Smokers. His information will be down below in the description box, as well as Z Grill's information if you want to snag you one. Now, I've already got the chicken seasoned up. I just put it on the pellet grill. Let me show you what it's looking like. Alright guys, the Z Grills is rolling like I said. Wanted to show y'all the products we were using in today's cook. We've got the Maestros, the Roasted Ghosted Garlic. I used this as a binder actually before I even seasoned it up. I've used this on some wings before and it was awesome, so I knew this would be good. And of course we hit this bird with some North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose smoke shake. I will have the information for both of those products down below in the description box. And then we've got our trusty Miller Lite. Let's go ahead and open up the Z Grills and see how we're looking. This is what we're looking like, guys. I went ahead and spatchcocked this bird. That's going to speed the cooking process up. Right now we've got it breast side up. This is a big bird, so it's going to take a little while to cook. So spatchcocking it is actually going to speed up that cook, like I said. So that just involves taking out the spine of the bird so it can lay more flat, and we can get all kinds of flavor. I've actually seasoned the other side perfectly as well, so we're able to really get some flavor in on this. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. We're rolling at about 325. I'm going to check on this in 30 minutes. Alright, so it's actually been about 40 minutes now, and we've been rolling from about 315 to 325 on the Z Grills. It's been holding temps pretty well. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we're looking like. And it's been about 40 minutes, like I said, so we're already taking on some good smoke color, and that skin is starting to crisp up just a little bit. We're only about 40 minutes in, like I said. I'm going to shut this down. We're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees internal here, and around that same temperature in the legs here. So I'm going to shut this down. I'll check back with y'all here in a little bit, and then we'll check internal temps. Alright, it's been about 35 minutes, and it's time for me to see what the internal temperature is looking like. It smells amazing out here. You can hear the juice dripping from the chicken right onto the deflector plate, and that's just making some awesome flavor for this bird. Let's go ahead and see what this chicken looks like. Wow. Look at the color that this is taking on. Let me go ahead and bring y'all in for a close-up so y'all can really see this skin. Wow, that looks insane. Check out the skin, guys. Like I said a second ago, it's smelling awesome. We have the hickory pellets rolling. Let's go ahead and see what the internal temperature is on the chicken breast. We are at 125 degrees internal on the chicken breast, so it's rolling along. We want to be at 165, and we are at 178, 180 on the leg there. So what I want to do now is finish it up. We're running out of daylight, so I want to show you all this. We are going to put a little bit more of our Maestros Roasted Ghosted Garlic sauce onto our chicken so we can really get that flavor in it. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of that on there. I think this is going to go great with this North Texas Barbecue Addict smoke shake. You got your sweet and savory, and then you got your spicy from the Roasted Ghosted Garlic. Just like that right there. Man, that's smelling awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down. Next time I see y'all, this will have rested for at least 15 or 20 minutes, and then we'll give it a try. Alright, addicts, it's time to give this bad boy a taste. It is smelling awesome with that roasted ghosted garlic sauce and that North Texas barbecue addict all-purpose smoke shake. I got a couple pepperoncinis on the side here. Nothing better than a little bit of spice with my chicken. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Let me go ahead and get this camera turned around. I'm going to give this bad boy a try. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It smells amazing. Check it out one last time before I devour it. Look at that skin. Man, beautiful color, juicy. Let's see what we're working with here. Cheers, y'all. Wow, look at that. Man, this is so juicy, so tender. That smoke shake is awesome. You can taste that smoky flavor from the hickory, and that sauce really gives a nice bite to it. Just how a drumstick should be. I'm gonna go ahead and snag me one of these pepperoncinis. Wow. One last bite for y'all and then I'm out of here. Dang. That smoke shake really stuck around for the entire cook. Paired great with that Maestros sauce. I'll have all the information down below in the description box. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue and checking out today's episode. Don't forget to stop by Aimum and Claimum Smokers because this is a collaboration with him as well. Until next time, guys, y'all keep on barbecuing. That is one good drumstick.